Amazon box. Who reckons in this? Oh, tell me, Amazon, what is in your box? Oh my gosh! Aha! Hey, come on. There we go. There. Look. Ooh. Tachometer. Another bag. There we go. Hopefully that is the correct sender for my temperature gauge. Rock Auto order just showed up too. There we go. Rock Auto nose hose. And oh yes, PCV valve. And oh, this is the other sway bar bushing that I forgot to order. Neat. Okay, first thing we're doing is changing this. And then getting in here, changing this sender for this AutoMeter sender. New radiator hose that does not have a cut in it here, which is very nice. And very down in there is the sender for the AutoMeter gauge. This morning gonna do, oh, there we go, do that sway bar bushing and those sway bar links. Just drop the sway bar. Check this out. That's the original link. Can you see how worn that is? Blew the top off with the grinder. The rest of it came apart okay. So I think this one's been replaced like recently. Gonna get on these with the die grinder, pop it out and change this ball joint because the boot's split back down here. And I'm also doing a repack on the bearings. I'm gonna do the bearings on both sides and then get the sway bar back in here, and then the front is officially done. So that's gonna be great. After what seems like forever. New ball joint. New sway bar on the other side too. You can see that. New shock. And the sway bar's mounted up too. So there's new sway bar mounts and it's all urethane. That was a big effort. Also found what the cause of that leak was. I think it looks like it was just the transpan had a loose bolt, and that's what that was dripping from. And there's a second drip here that's now covered in floor dry. That leak was I didn't tighten up the oil plug enough. Before I forget, put in Delco shocks, Delco sway bars, Delco chassis parts, Jesus, Delco sway bar debushings on this because that's what I could get. But it's mostly Delco going back in the car because I want that made in the US quality, which, as you'll recall, is why I used a lot of old stock parts. So I wanted made in the US. So I just did this because I keep seeing them on the Cadillac forums with these around and it looks so nice. So this is the wreath off the front of an SRX, and of course I got my Cadillac surround on there. Oh yeah, and got the, ooh, oh yeah, can't forget folks, this is a Cadillac. From this angle it looks like a limousine too. Look at that, look how long it is. Oh my god, such a long walk to get to the front of this Cadillac. So, I just readjusted the distributor and got it back to its base 20. And of course the front end is all done.